Hi. Hello, everyone. Say hello in the comments. Let's see who is with us this evening. Hi. I see some viewers. Say hello in the comments. My name is Shelley, and I am in Milan. I teach English at My Yes Milano Filzi. Please say hello in the comments. Tell me your name and where you are from. I will be waiting for those comments. Today we are talking about numbers and fruit. Numbers and fruit. In this focus activity, we will be talking about numbers 1 to 20, fruit, and regular and irregular plurals. So fruit, the I is silent. It is not pronounced fruit. It is pronounced fruit. Like this. Fruit. Can you tell me some types of fruit? What are types of fruit? Name some fruit. That's right. Apples, pears, bananas, grapes, and numbers. Numbers 1 to 10. Do you know how to count in English yet? Tell me the numbers that you remember from 1 to 10. Hi, Gabriele. Gabriele, what numbers do you remember? Can you count? There we go. Good spelling. 1, 2. Let's see what the slide has. So we have 1 spelled Keep going. This is your private lesson. 3. Excellent. That is pronounced 3. 4. Good spelling. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Thank you, Gabriele. That is fantastic work. So 8 is pronounced like this. Not it, 8. So let's check those spellings. They look correct to me. 1, O-N-E. 2, T-W-O. 3, T-H-R-E-E. 4, F-O-U-R. 5, F-I-V-E. 6, S-I-X. 7, S-E-V-E-N. 8, E-I-G-H-T. 9, N-I-N-E. And 10, T-E-N. Good pronunciations. 8, 9, and 4. So now we have these numbers. How do you spell these numbers? So we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 11. Very good. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. 12. Thank you, Gabriele. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. How do we pronounce this one? 13. 13. Don't forget to pronounce the n at the end. 13. That is T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. Next. 14. Don't forget that that is very important. 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. Next. 15. There is no H in these. T-E-E-N. 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N. You're doing a great job, Gabriella. Keep going. 17. S-E-V-E-N, 17, T-E-E-N. 18. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Een, 18. E-E-N. E-I-G, E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 19. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. And finally, 20. 20. Good job. Great job, Gabriele. Good spelling. Nice correcting yourself. So these are our numbers. Can you tell me this number? How do you spell this number? That's great. How do you spell this number? Good. 30. 30. 30. The pronunciation is very close to 13. How about this number? How about this number? Yeah, that's how you pronounce it. 30. All consonants. 40. Good spelling. 40. And this one? Yep, that's how you pronounce it. So 40, spelled 40, pronounced 40. This one, 50. 50. Yes, good. It's 50 in Italian. Yes. How about this one? 60. Good. Almost done. 70. All right, so we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Spell those: 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Good pronunciation. 90. That's right. 80 is pronounced 80. So why am I running through numbers higher than 20? Because I noticed that it is very easy to get confused between 30, 13, 40, 14, 50, 15, 16 and 60, 17 and 70, 18 and 80, 19 and 90. It is very easy to get confused, so be careful with your pronunciations. That's right, 90, 90, Very good. Let's talk about plurals. There is, there are. So there is and there are. Which do we use for one object? A singular object. Which do we use to mean one thing? And which do we use for many things or plural? So there is singular object. There is in Italian c'è. There are plural object, many objects. Ci sono in Italian. So yes, where is for a singular object. Good. So there is a pen. There is a phone. There is a notebook. There are, where are my plural objects? There are, these are glasses. Occhiali, glasses. There are shoes. Yes, there are for plural. Good. So some examples. There is one apple. One. There are two apples. Two. Tell me, how many bananas are there? Good example. There are many pens on the table. How many bananas are there? How many bananas are there? There are 4 bananas. Good. How many oranges? Yes, 4 bananas are on the table. Good. How many oranges? Yes, there are 2 oranges. Hmm. How do we say nothing? 0. How many cherries are on the table? Cherries are ciliegie. How many cherries are on the table? Do you remember how to say 0? Yes. There are, plural, none. There are none. How many cherries? There are, plural, none, 0. Those are apples. No, those are apples. But yes, with 2 cherries, plural are. If you ask the question, how many are there? There are none. How many is there? There is none. So remember, if you remember later, the question matters for the answer. How many are there? There are none. How many is there? There is none. The verbs for the questions match the answers when we are dealing with 0. None. Let me know if you have any questions. Please repeat. Please pronounce. I didn't understand, or I don't understand. These are some questions you can ask me. Please repeat. Say again. Please pronounce. I don't understand. Or what does it mean? What does something mean? To define the word, what does it mean? What does something mean? So fruit, 1 pear, 2 pears, 1 lemon, 2 lemons, 1 orange, 3 oranges. Hi, Tonio. Welcome. Glad to have you here. So, 3 oranges. Do you notice a pattern between singulars and plurals? Singular, 1. Plural, many, more than 1. So 1 apple, 2 apples. 1 banana, 3 bananas. 1 cherry, 3 cherries. For plural nouns, we add an S. 1 pear, 2 pears, lemons, oranges, apples. Notice the pronunciation. Oranges, apples, bananas. And with cherry, we change the Y to an I and add ES. So to make nouns that end in Y plural, you change the Y to an I and add ES. Can you think of other things that end in Y? Can you think of other things that end in Y? We will try to make them plural together. So grape, some grapes. In English, grapes and one grape. It's not one, oh, the Italian, it's one part of something. And then uva, right, is a bunch of grapes. We have one grape, the individual tiny grape that you eat, and then some grapes. She looks happy with fruit. Now let's test. If it ends in a Y, Tonio, to make it plural, you change the Y to an I and add ES. Cherry. You take the Y, I, and then you change it to cherries. Change the Y to an I and add ES. Cherry becomes cherries. Can you tell me the names of these fruits? Tell me in a full sentence. A, there are. B, there are. Tell me in the comments. Good. Yes. Thank you, Tonio. Remember your spelling. 3 lemons, but good making it plural. 3 lemons. There are 2. What is B? It's not a cherry. Those are not cherries. Those are, do you remember the word? It sounds very similar to the Italian. There are 2. So letter B. There are 2. What are these? It's okay, Gabriele. There are, letter B. Oh, there was someone at your door. Welcome back. So letter B, there are 2 pears. Yes, watch the spelling. Pears. P-E-A-R-S. But good, very good. There are 2 pears. C. Also watch the spelling. I think this is an autocorrect. C. There are 2 apples. D. Good. Good. If we don't know the number, we can say many. There are many grapes. Hi, Hamid. Welcome. Ahmed, we are on letter E. Tell us, how many are there? There are the letter E. Apple, apples. Yes, this is the spelling of apple. Singular, apple. Plural, apples. The woman eats the apple. Good one. Nice, nice. The woman eats the apple. Good, Hamid. There are 3 bananas. Good. So E, 3 bananas. F. Now we're on F. Letter F. There are yes, very close, very close. Not 2 oranges and a half. It's 2 and a half oranges. Good. Nice guess. 2 and a half oranges. There are 2 and a half oranges. And G. Nice guess. There. Yes. Good correction. There are 3 with an H. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Tree is albero. 3 is a number. Good, good. Everyone is doing a good job. G. Those are cherries. G. Almost, almost. There are 3. And how do we make cherries plural? We change the Y to an I and add ES. So, Y diventa I. E aggiungiamo ES. Y to an I and add ES. There are 3 cherries. Good. Good. Exactly. Exactly. Good job. So tell me what is in the picture. There is singular. There are plural. So there is a bowl. Ciotola, bowl. Good, good. From the previous, there are 3 cherries. Yes, there are fruit. In this case, you can also say there is fruit. Fruit is uncountable. There is a banana. There's more than one bananas, or there is more than one banana. How do we say that? Good. There are a few fruits. A few fruits. There are a few. There are many. Good. There are many fruits. We don't say many, just many. Many fruits. So I see that there are 3 bananas. There are many oranges. There are 2 apples. Let's try another. What is the name of this fruit? What is the name of this fruit in English? What is the name of this fruit? Does anyone know? It is called a pineapple. There is a there is a basket of fruits. Where did my pineapple go? An ananas? No. There is a pineapple. English is the only language, I think, that does not call it some variation of ananas in the West. It is a pineapple. There. So we have this. There are the basket fruits. Very close. So how many baskets are there? There is one. There is one basket. There is a basket of fruit. Ah, so you have it in verse, Gabriele. Why before fruits there is a many and there isn't a few? There are many fruits. There are a few fruits. So many means a lot, a big number. There are a few means a small number. And I cannot tell you why we don't have a many, but we have a few. It is one of the strange rules of language. A few means little. Many, one word. So we don't have a many, we have many. It is how the language evolved, unfortunately. So a few fruits. There are a few. There are many. And you just have to remember, a few is correct. Mandarin orange. Is this a mandarin orange? So yeah, mandarin means mandarino. So we can call it a mandarin orange or just a mandarin. Fruit. Is fruit always single? In general, yes. Fruit is uncountable, and so we refer to it in the single. There is a lot of fruit. However, if there are many types of fruit, Types is countable. So when we say there are many, we mean many types of fruit. There are many fruits. We take out types of, it is understood, and then fruits becomes plural, countable. Does that make a little sense? Fruit, the word is uncountable. There is fruit on the table. We can mean by this sentence, one apple. We can mean a basket of fruit. It means the same. There is fruit on the table. So here we have an example. There is a basket of fruit on the table. Basket, singular, a basket. There are many types of fruit in the basket. Yes, Mandarino is Italiano. It is Italian. We say mandarin orange. Yes, when fruit is uncountable, it is always single. If you are referring to many different fruits, it can be plural. But if you are referring to fruit, I eat fruit for breakfast. Doesn't matter how many or how many kinds, it is singular because it is uncountable. Good questions, Hamed. Ah, good, good. Basket is cesto, yes. This is a basket. Very good job, guys. Let's try this one. If it is very large, it is called a platter. So this is a platter. A platter of fruit. Even though there are many kinds, it is singular. Good. There are fruit. Or singular. What verb do we use for singular? There. There is. Good. There is fruit on the plate or platter. Good. There is a platter of fruit. Very nice. Very elegant. There is a basket of fruits. Many kinds of fruits, then this is correct. But in general, fruit is uncountable. Fruit. Good. Very good. How many plums? How many plums are there? How many plums? Which ones are plums, guys? There is no basket. It is a platter. Yes. Good. A plate is what you eat off of. A platter is a serving dish. It is for display. Ah, what? What is a plum? These here are plums. Do you know the word? Tell me in Italian. I have to remember. It is a summer fruit. Let's see if you can tell me. There we go. Good. Prunia. And yes, I believe Suzini. Prunia. So how many? How many plums are there? So 1, yes? I think there are 3. No, 4. There are 4 plums. So this is a plum. This, and this. That's 4. And these are mandarin oranges or mandarins. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 5. And then I see 4 apples. 2 green apples and 2 red apples. Good. You guys are great. Okay, so 2 green apples, 2 red apples. Oh, yes. Susina is more refined. Or raffinata in English, refined. Good. Yes, there are 4 oh wait, this one. There are 4 plums on the plate. We need an article there. There are many cherries and 1 plum. That's a good mix. Good. Are. Great job. And these here, one final thing, and then we will review. So we have 1 person. What is plural for person? What is plural for person? There are many. Person is singular, yes. How do we make it plural? There are many people. People in English is a plural noun. That means there are people. Good. There are many people. Good job. Okay, let's review. So we talked about fruit. Can you tell me the plural of this fruit here, everyone? The plural of this fruit. Tell me the plural of this fruit. Good, good. Cherries. And tell me the singular of this fruit. The singular. 1. Bye, Tonio. 1 of these fruit. Tell me the singular of this fruit. One grape. Good. We also talked about numbers. So don't forget your numbers. 1 to 10 and 11 to 20. So counting, remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And get the spellings. Let me go to that slide so you can see all the spellings. Go faster. There. So spelling for these, take a screenshot. Let me take off our one grape. And now let me move to 11 to 20. These are the spellings: 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Don't forget the sound. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good job, everyone. Have a wonderful evening. I hope to see you soon. Bye.